Good morning. Halloween is approaching and I know a lot of you love Halloween and the spooky season. Today I'm gonna be working on throwing pumpkins.
You make me feel oh so warm. You see me, I am in love. I feel so loved all the time. I feel your love all the time. Dancing in my living room. Every time I think of you, shake my hips to a good tune. I will always be a fool. You're loving, loving. Ooh, you're loving, loving. I feel so loved all the time. I feel your love all the time. You're loving, loving. Ooh, you're loving, loving. I feel so loved all the time. I feel your love all the time. You make me feel just like me. Don't need to change anything. I feel myself all the time. I know my.
Another update. Finally I decided I wanna launch my Patreon as a kind of celebration because we are 30k on Instagram. I'm speechless. I'm so happy for all your support. I want to give you more but I didn't know how. I was asking you on Instagram and this is what you wanted. Most of you wanted physical rewards and discounts. Since a while I knew the existence of this platform and I thought it would be a wonderful opportunity. Yeah, I thought it would be nice to continue the community we have on Instagram, TikTok, or even here in YouTube, somewhere else, where you can support also my work. I'm gonna be offering a lot of things that you asked me for and that you wanted and that I feel comfortable offering you guys. So I'm gonna be launching the 7th of October the Patreon and you can subscribe whenever you want and you can leave whenever you want, and most probably this video is gonna be uploaded after that because I don't think I'm gonna make it happen before, but if I do, just go and have a look and let me know what do you think about the tiers and everything because I'm really excited. Well, those are the updates. And I'm gonna be trimming now what is gonna be the pumpkin mugs. We'll see. Because I have no clue how it's gonna turn out. Some of them yesterday after throwing I marked the shape and some others I did not. And let's see, because ones I'm gonna be trimming is gonna be harder to trim evenly with those ones than with these ones, but if the base is drying out so much I won't be able to make the mark so easily. So I've tried both and we'll see how it works. Sorry, words are not coming. I'm so looking forward to see how they look like. I'm gonna be also painting them with the raid. I'm gonna be painting with raid. I'm gonna be painting with the green. Wow, orange. Orange is the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna be painting with the orange pigment. Whatever. Let's leave it there. Yes, I'm gonna go trim. Wow, my brain. Hey, bye. Bye bye. So let's get to the second round of the pumpkin making. After destroying one base yesterday, I'm gonna be hand building the faces and I'm gonna be playing around with the handles because I want to make them like kind of a leafy, branchy handle. And also if I have time, I'm gonna paint them. So like this we have them orange already. I have no clue if this design is gonna work and if it's gonna be understood as a pumpkin, but this is up to you to decide and to let me know if it looks like a pumpkin. So let me know. Comment, it's gonna be fun. Beautiful hair tonight. It's actually 10 in the morning. I hope you are all having wonderful dreams.
Don't drink and swim unless it's low tide. Rockin' Yada, Covina, up to Chino Hills. Backyard parties, come and get your thrills. Topanga, Cerritos, Inland Empire. We love Modelos, cause they never expire. Modelos, for my bros. Can we go out? Modelos, for my bros. Can we go out? Oh, the ladies come and go, but you've always got a cold Modelo. Pick up the boys, post up in a parking lot. That was really good. Oh, the ladies come and go, but you've always got a cold Modelo. Pick up the boys, post up in a parking lot. Oh, the ladies come and go, but you've always got a cold Modelo. Pick up the boys, post up in a parking lot. Oh, the ladies come and go, but you've always got a cold Modelo. Pick up the boys, post up in a parking lot.
Today we're gonna be working on painting the pumpkins. Also going through the handles again, because yesterday they were too soft, too wet, so I couldn't work them as I wanted to. But I guess today I will be able to give some extra details. So
I got me a bad little bit that like to be wrong. I ain't never really been a type that like to be wrong. I got me the spirit, you can feel it all in these sound. Said it wasn't feeling it before because they see now. I used to beg you, sis, look at me now. Your mom and your dad and the kids look at me now. Told y'all before you could swore I would see now. Download the song on your phone and meanwhile.
You can stream it on the YouTube. Got it automatic when I'm rapping, nothing new, dude. I don't talk about it when people ain't got a blues clue. I knew that they doubted me laughing, I go to deuce. We've got so many people in the crib right now. Oh shit, yo, bitch is in the crib right now. With the split getting lips singing, hear my vibe.
I got 200,000 on my wrist right now. I used to dream about where I live right now. When I'm still getting paid off shit I did right now. I like royalty. Baskets on a ring right now. Call me big bro, but I'm still a kid right now.
Oh shit, it's a hit, man, it's gotta be. Look at this on the cliff, is who doubted me. Little bitch, probably trip, say it loud and see. Never quit, long as my mama proud of me.
I used to dream about the shit then and spoke out the shit then and can't like to live. But that's crazy. I like to think about some shit then and go do the shit then and sit back and shit like I'm lazy.
I like to roll up and post up, but no police roll up. They know we don't fit the description. I like Miami, Chicago, and LA, but DC is wet eyed and got my respect in.
I got me a bad little bitch that like to be round. I ain't never really been a type that like to be round. I got me the spirit, you could feel it all in these sound. Said they wasn't feeling it before, but get they see now. I used to beg your sis, look at me now. Your mom and your dad and the kid look up to me now. Told y'all before you could swear I was see now. Download the song on your phone in the meanwhile.
Download the tune when you bumpin' your own, cause that's how a brother survive. Please don't assume, cause the lavish influence, the shit that I do don't come with a price. Move from the fam with a hope and a plan that I jump and I land, better yet take flight. Hold on, brother, let me go and take flight.
Ayy, swear I was born to take flight. Scout the road, nigga, got a pack light. Ultralight flow, nigga, really that nice. Might bite off your head, now I'm feeling like Mike. Rhythm ice cold, I'm just living my life. On Prince, I might get them a glimpse of my vision. Break down the kittens like pigeon. Man on a mission, I up and see through the prism. I tell a nigga like, listen. I was a peon, I'm beyond that. We in a whole different region and I feel amazed. Indigo season, a whole different planet like Elon. I call up my mom like I made it.
My moms were crazy, but look at my baby. We struggled, we made it, cause you got the vision. I thank you greatly for having a baby that came out okay just because your precision.
I used to dream about the shit then, spoke out the shit then, it came like a live. Well, that's crazy. I like to think about some shit then, go do the shit then, I sit back and shit like I'm lazy.
I like to roll up and post up, but no police roll up, they know we don't fit the description.
And a small sneak peek of the pieces I'm working on now. This is a little pumpkin. Yeah. Bye bye. See you. Love you.